In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private app Hubspot WhatsApp widget. Let's dive right in to get started with this straightforward process. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Hubspot homepage. You can simply type in hubspot.com in your address bar and hit enter. If you're new to HubSpot, it's a powerful platform that offers various tools tailored for marketing, sales, customer service, and CRM. So once you're there, the first thing you need to do is log into your account. You'll find the login option prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the HubSpot home. If you're not automatically directed there, you can select it from the menu or use the search bar for a quicker approach. Now that you're on the home page, it's time to locate the marketplace icon, which is usually found in the main navigation bar or the settings menu. The marketplace is your gateway to all the apps that integrate seamlessly with HubSpot. Once you've found the marketplace icon, click on it. After that, in your marketplace interface, you should see a section labeled Apps. Click on this section to move forward. This feature allows you to explore and manage the applications that enhance your HubSpot experience. Now you're in the Apps section, look for the Manage Apps option, click on Manage Apps to proceed. This is where you'll manage existing integrations and add new ones, which is exactly what we're aiming to do today. In this management area, you'll see a variety of options. What we need to focus on here is called Private Apps. It might be listed under a subheading or as a button, but either way you should spot it without much trouble. Go ahead and click on Private Apps. Once you're in the Private Apps section, you'll notice an option to create a private app. This tool is perfect for personalized configurations tailored to specific needs, like integrating WhatsApp features we'll be working on today. Click on Create a Private App and you're halfway there. Finally, you'll see a straightforward interface prompting you to create your new app. On this page, find and select the option Create App. Simply click it to set up your new HubSpot private app. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to create a private app HubSpot WhatsApp widget within HubSpot. By following these steps, you've unlocked new potential for customizing your CRM experience. As you explore more about private apps, remember that they are a powerful way to enhance your marketing and communication capabilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.